I don't like is the negative form of I like. It is used to express someone's negative feeling towards something. Don't is a contracted form of do not. Doesn't is a contracted form of does not. Patterns. I don't like. You don't like. He doesn't like. She doesn't like. It doesn't like. We don't like. They don't like. Singular subject plus doesn't like. Plural subject plus don't like. Examples. I don't like wearing dresses and high heels. I don't like making decisions for other people. I don't like waiting for people. I don't like doing the dishes. I don't like taking orders from other people. I don't like taking a bath. I don't like doing anything. I don't like getting up early in the morning. I don't like giving homework to her students. I don't like working on weekends.